Hello friends, it is supposed to rain today. Actually, by the time I post this video, it probably has already rained. So I decided to read Let It Rain. It's written by Marianne Coca-Leffer and it is published by Scholastic. So Scholastic is the book company that we send home order forms for. We read a lot of Scholastic books in the classroom, so if you're looking to build your at-home library for your child and you want age-appropriate books that they're also somewhat familiar with, Scholastic is a great place to go. Let it rain. Let it rain, it's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Have you seen any of these things outside while we've been home from school? I know I have lots of honeybees that fly around my house and lots of birds. I can hear the birds singing when I wake up in the morning. I don't see any frogs around my house, but I do have 3 trees in my yard. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Oh, wow. Do any of you like playing in the mud? If you're playing in the mud, what's something you should wear? What do you think? Maybe rain boots so our feet don't get wet and our shoes don't get dirty? Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. Wow, do you guys see the rainbow? Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks. Wow, look at all these cool animals. Do you have any animals that live at your house? We don't have any pets here at my house, but my parents have 2 cats. Their names are Cinnamon and Sassy. Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky. They're building a tree house. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer's pants. Let it rain. Riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, beep, bop, beat. But soon, steamy classroom blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Do you all miss school? I miss you guys so much. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine. Well, I hope you enjoyed our story today, and I will be posting another one tomorrow. Bye!